Welcome to our French for Beginners Lesson 10, Course 1. First, let's have a short review of what we've learned in the previous lesson. Ready? Repeat after me. Être, avoir, aller, partir, pouvoir, parler, voir. Très bien, very good. We can now start our lesson 10. Les verbes importants. Partie 2. Important verbs. Part 2. Our first verb will be savoir. Savoir. To know. Connaître. Connaître. To know as well. Usually in French, when you find letter O placed before a double consonant, the sound should change to O. O. In this case, connaître has 2 syllables. Co, naître. The reason why we need to keep the letter O sounds O. Co, naître. Connaître. Very good. Mettre. Mettre. To put. Dire. Dire. To say. Vouloir. Vouloir. To want. Donner. Donner. To give. Same as the verb connaître, the letter O doesn't change its sounds to O simply because donner is cut into 2 syllables right over here. Do, ne. Very good. Manger. Manger. To eat. Great. Now let's see their conjugaison. Conjugation. Ready? Verbs ending with ER. Sound E. Let's see this. Je. The verb would end with letter E. Tu. The verb would end with letter ES. Il, elle, on. The verb would end with letter E. Nous. The verb would end with letters O, N, S. On. Vous. The verb would end with letters E, Z. Et. Il, elle with a silent S. The verb would end with letters E, N, T. E. Very good. Let's make it clear with few verbs. Donner, to give. Let's try this. Je donne. Je donne. As you can hear, the auxiliary sounds donner, 2 syllables. The letter O sounds O. Here, donne, only 1 syllable. Letter O needs to change its sounds to O because of the double consonant. Donne. Je donne. Very good. Tu donnes. Tu donnes. Silent S. 1 syllable. Letter O works with the double N. The sound is Tu donnes. Il, elle, on donne. Donne. Just the same. Nous donnons. Nous donnons. 2 syllables. Letter O doesn't change its sounds. Donnons. Vous donnez. Vous donnez. Il, elle, with a silent S, donne. Again, 1 syllable. Donne. Letter O changes to O. Donne. Great. Next verb, manger. To eat. Je mange. Je mange. Tu manges. Silent S. Tu manges. Il, elle, on mange. Il, elle, on mange. Nous mangeons. You can see over here we added letter E simply because in French letter G sounds G when followed by the vowels A, O, U. It would sound ga, go, gu. To make it sound ja, jo, ju, you need to add in between the letter E. Nous mangeons. Without letter E, it would sound nous manguons. Next, vous mangez. Vous mangez. Il, elle mange. Il, elle mange. You can hear for the verb manger, the first syllable is a little longer. Manger. Very good. Now let's see the verbs ending with IR. Ir. Je, the verb would end with letter S or IS. Tu, the verb would end with letter S or IS. Il, elle, on, the verb would end with letter T or IT. Nous, the verb would end with letters O, N, S, on, or deux S, O, N, S, sont. Vous, it would end with letters EZ, E, or deux S, EZ, C. As for il and elle with a silent S, the verb would end with the letters ENT, E, or deux S, ENT, se. Let's make it clear. Partir. Partir. Je pars. Silent S. Je pars. Tu pars. Silent S again. Tu pars. Il, elle, on part. Il, elle, on part. Silent T. Nous partons. Vous partez. Il, elle partent. Great. Let's now see verbs ending with RE R, or O-I-R, war. Let's check. Je, the verbs would end with letter S. Tu would be the same. Il, elle, on, the verbs would end with letter T or nothing. Nous, the verbs would end with ONS, on, or deux S, ONS, son. Vous, the verb would end with EZ, et, or deux S, EZ, C. Il, elle, with a silent S. The verbs would end with E-N-T, a, O-N-T, on, or deux S, E-N-T, se. Let's have a look at several verbs to make it clear. Savoir. This one is irregular. Je sais. Silent S. Je sais. Tu sais. Exactly the same. Tu sais. Il, elle, on sait. Silent T. Il, elle, on sait. Il, elle, on sait. Silent T. Nous savons. Regular. Nous savons. Vous savez. Regular again. Vous savez. Il, elle, with a silent S, savent. Regular as well. Il, elle, savent. Très bien. Connaître. Je connais. Two syllables. Connais. Je connais. Tu connais. Il, elle, on connaît. Silent T. Il, elle, on connaît. Nous connaissons. Nous connaissons. Vous connaissez. Vous connaissez. Il, elle connaissent. Il, elle connaissent. For the past three conjugations, we use double S simply to make the word sound better. Nous connaissons wouldn't sound good. Nous connaissons. Vous connaissez. Il, elle connaissent. Next, mettre, to put. Je mets. Silent S. Letter T turns letter I into E. Je mets. Tu mets. Silent S again. Il, elle, on met. Nous mettons. Vous mettez. Il, elle mettent. Très bien. Very good. Dire. Je dis. Silent S. Tu dis. Silent S. Il, elle, on dit. Silent T. Nous disons. Vous dites. This one is irregular. Disez doesn't sound so good for us French. We then change it to dites. Vous dites. Ils, elles disent. Very good. Let's now get to our last verb. Vouloir. to want. This one is irregular. Je veux. Tu veux. Both have a silent X. Il, elle, on veut. Silent T. Nous voulons. Vous voulez. Il, elle with a silent S veulent. We've changed letter O to letter E simply because ils voulent, elles voulent wouldn't sound good. Ils, elles veulent. Very good. Let's now have a short practice. You will simply need to translate into French. Ready? I will give you about a minute. You can start. Let's correct this together. I know. Je sais. He says. Il dit. They want. Ils veulent or elles veulent. Remember, no matter if it is 200 girls and one boy, you will need to say il, masculine. You know. Tu connais. We eat. Nous mangeons or on mange, more familiar. She gives. Elle donne. I put. Je mets. Are these what you said? If not, you can try again. If yes, let's move on. Entraînement 2, second practice. Another minute for you. Ready? You can start. Alright, let's check this together. They know as savoir. Ils savent or elles savent. You all say vous dites, be careful, irregular. I want, je veux. Silent X. We know as connaître. Nous connaissons or on connaît, more familiar. You eat. Tu manges. Silent S. I give. Je donne. She puts. Elle met. Very good. Let's now have a short review of all the verbs we've learned in this lesson. Ready? Savoir. Connaître. Mettre. Dire. Vouloir. Donner. Manger. Verbs needs to be learned by heart, especially irregular ones. I know you can do this. Good luck et à bientôt!